Hi, I'm Harkov with the Harkovlewis team at Brown Harris Stevens, and I'm here today to give you a tour of this very special 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home on Lower Fifth Avenue, situated on the second floor of 45 Fifth Avenue. This beautiful home has undergone a full and meticulous renovation. The current owners added an ensuite primary bathroom, renovated the second bathroom, and fully renovated the kitchen with the gem of all gems, a washer and dryer. And with city quiet windows along the Fifth Avenue side, it is truly pin drop quiet. With a gracious layout, with this large great room, dining room with ample space for seating, dining, and entertaining, 2 large bedrooms, an ensuite walk-in closet on both sides built out with California closets. The layout is ideal for relaxation, storage, work from home, or whatever your needs may entail. Situated on Lower Fifth Avenue, you're just around the corner from Washington Square Park, Union Square Park, and all the restaurants, amenities, and beautiful, gorgeous tree-lined streets that make Greenwich Village one of the most sought-after destinations in all of New York City. Again, I'm Harkov with the Harkovlewis team. I hope you've enjoyed this tour today of Residence 2AB at 45 Fifth Avenue. If you have any questions or if you'd like to schedule a tour, kindly contact me or any members of the team, and we'll be thrilled to get you in.